The traditional financial system adopted in most countries has become a rigid setup. That, while being safe, eludes people the kind of true value that their money or investments could possibly earn them. Slow transactions and low returns on investments, these have in a lot of ways prevented people from truly gathering wealth that will become a legacy for years to come. The system has been in practice for centuries, and it would take something magnificent or, let's say, controversial to bring the dial around and set people free. The advent of the crypto industry is probably the best that inventors have been able to come up with as a long-term solution to the current archaic systems. The crypto industry operates not in a bid to entirely surmount the existing fiat system, but it offers a richer alternative that makes use of the fiat system as a sub in its operations. Although this is altogether not necessary with the rapid developments made to cryptocurrency utilities. One major clause attached to the crypto industry is its susceptibility to volatility. Now that can be really frustrating no matter how you look at it. It sucks when your crypto is on a high 1 minute and dipping the next. No bullish market lasts forever, and the occurrence of a bearish market is not enjoyable in any way. Someone holding a crypto wallet worth $1 million could end up owning a stash worth $250,000. That doesn't sound like a good way to preserve profit or wealth. Can there be a way in which crypto investors can hold a certain amount of money in crypto and be relatively unaffected by the events of a bearish market? Well, in light of this, we present to you the gold secured currency, also known as GSX. What is GSX? First, GSX is the ultimate solution for crypto investors to keep their money and business running via a steady crypto investment. Also known as the growth coin, the name speaks for itself. This is a coin whose value is designed to keep elevating in value with time. Unlike other cryptos, it acts as an asset of minimal value, a stable coin that can be used as a preservative of interest and long-term development of assets. But what makes it different from other cryptocurrencies? Other cryptocurrencies are either aiming to replace the fiat currencies or become a bridge to other established financial setups. For instance, Ripple's ultimate goal is to replace SWIFT for cross-border transactions. The purpose of GSX is to become a bridge between cryptocurrencies and gold. Yes, big old gold. As far back as the invention of paper currency, gold has been the natural asset used as a store of value for fiat currencies. The higher the value of gold, the more valuable a single fiat currency is compared to its counterpart. In addition, the coin is based on a quantum-resistant technology, which is outstanding for a growth coin. It's a novel invention with the integration of the quantum steel cryptography algorithm. This new system is designed to be a direct rival to the blockchain system of other cryptocurrencies. Is GSX following in the footsteps of Bitcoin? Yes, mostly yes. GSX is carving out its own path to become the next best crypto in the world. It was created by the Apollo fintech company not to replace gold, as is the aim of Bitcoin developers. GSX would ultimately be backed by gold and other mines of natural resources, like nickel, lithium, tantalum, and copper. Sounds great and definitely natural. The question of stability is answered in the real value of these natural resources, which will ultimately contribute to the long-term growth of the coin. What this means is that while other cryptocurrencies are based on market demands alone, GSX has the best of a natural backing in the demand for gold and other mines, and the established demand in the coin's market action or the extent of its own community. The coin aggregates the best qualities of a stable coin like USDT, a crypto like Bitcoin, and other types of investment coins. The coin's initial pre-sale is ongoing, and it'll last between 3 to 4 months from the primary launch. The opportunities are immeasurable for GSX, as it's expected to grow at an incredible rate with its gold backing and land and mine assets. The minimum asset backing will skyrocket to about $7 billion USD after the launch sale is concluded, with a single GSX worth about 23 cents. By the second year, the asset will grow to about $20 billion and $30 billion in assets by the third year. A single GSX will be trading between 66 cents and $1 at the time. Note that the $1 will be attained in the third year, hence there is room to enjoy the optimum growth before it peaks. The asset updates and auditing will be overseen by certified third-party organizations regularly. The asset's value will be evaluated and updated publicly to keep investors abreast of the coin's development. Its projected price could weigh more than its current value, while maintaining similar growth potential to Bitcoin and other cryptos. And its asset base value will ultimately prevent it from crashing in a bearish market. It is a viable investment coin that drives the value a user receives. The general plan is aimed towards controlling the supply of the already mined crypto. In the initial CDE, about 10 billion GSX were up for private sale, and about 50% of the total amount that was not sold in the event was burned. The total value accrued was transferred to the remainder of GSX. Its asset backing stands at about $3.2 billion. It is fascinating, right? You've now gained interest, but where can you buy GSX? There's no limit to the amount of GSX that you can buy in a single transaction. The coin will be redeemable for its gold value and not for its perceived demand in the market. This means less volatility for the coin in the short and long term. You can buy GSX through Apollo's website at aplfintech.com/gold-secured-cryptocurrency. On the platform, you can opt to buy the coin via Stratus at stratus.co/investments. Or Bitmart. Bitmart allows the purchase of GSX using USDT. Simply click the GSX USDT pairing to purchase the amount of GSX that you desire. It's also listed on platforms such as XT Exchange and CoinTiger. You can buy GSX directly via the links provided in the description box from any of these platforms right below the video. Complete power will be handed over to the coin's holders. A GSX visitor center has been established to cater to the needs of investors. They can visit the main mine and provide support where necessary. The GSX community can help with prospecting, testing equipment, consulting with the pros, among other activities that are reminiscent of a true mining adventure. The thrill that GSX promises is endless, and so is the profit. But we've come to the end of today's video, so don't forget to check out the links in the description box to buy any amount of GSX that you want right now.